booster, how we've got it set up. I know somebody was commenting the other day, they're having some issues with the hose clamp popping off. Obviously this booster has been, it's had its leaks, it's had its explosions and whatnot over the I guess about 1.5 years that we've been using it. You know, whatever. But what I was saying is that I always use all metal fittings. The only plastic fitting is this one. So you're gonna have, whether, and this can be different depending on what your setup is. My 3-way valve is down below here. Up here, so we have, this is our inlet supply coming from the proportioner or from the priming valve underneath here, so water or the proportioner. Then it comes down through here, goes through the pump, comes up here. If you're spraying, it's coming out that way. If you stop spraying, it goes through this bypass line. These are all, again, all metal hose barbs, all brass. Eventually, yes, they will corrode, but they're going to hold up a lot better. We had a lot of issues with the plastic just becoming soft or misshapen and stuff if the pump was left running long. And obviously, again, you need to take care of it, make sure it's not running too long. But having employees and whatnot, that's just part of it. I did also, this is just a garden hose fitting that's tightened on there, which comes down to our, this is just a jumper line that comes down through this hole in the box so that we can then get everything out that way. We also ran our electric cord through that same hole in the box, and I'll just show you down here. And yes, it's less than ideal that is bent, but it has worked pretty well. We have, this is our priming valve, so proportioner or to or water. This is our force-fed water from the house, and this is our water coming from the tank. So hope that helps.